Hey everyone! Today I'm super excited to share my amazing experience with Australian Credit Solutions. Just last week, I was stressed out about my credit report, but then I found Australian Credit Solutions. And guess what? Within just a week of signing up, they removed a pesky inquiry from my report. A huge shout out to Angelie and Leah. These ladies were absolute stars at explaining the credit fixing process, and they patiently answered all my questions. Their clarity and support were invaluable. And let's not forget Eulaiza. She guided me through the documents I needed to sign and kept me wonderfully updated throughout. Her assistance was top-notch. To Angelie, Leah and Eulaiza, you ladies are truly excellent at what you do. I honestly couldn't have gotten back on track financially without your help. So if you're struggling with your credit like I was, I highly recommend Australian Credit Solutions. They're efficient, effective and incredibly supportive. Thank you, ladies. And thank you, Australian Credit Solutions. I'm thrilled to be on the path to financial security again. If they can help me, they can help you too. That's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more personal finance tips and success stories. Bye for now.